NinjaTrader versus Stradivate, which is better? In 2025, both NinjaTrader and Stradivate remain top-tier futures trading platform, but choosing the better ones depends entirely on your trading style, experience level, and priorities. NinjaTrader now, in version 9, is known for its powerful charting, strategy automation, and custom indicators. It's ideal for experienced traders who want full control over backtesting, algorithmic strategy deployment, and granular chart setup, especially using C-number or custom Ninja scripts. And this type application is robust, but can feel clunky for beginners, and it requires a stepper learning curve. On the other hand, Tradovate offers a modern cloud-based interface that lightweight, fast, and fully browser accessible, perfect for traders who want mobility, speed, and clean execution. It also shines in ease of use, and its commission-free model for Activate traders is very attractive. Tradovolt integrates natively with TradingView and supports advanced order type but lacks the deep custom automation tools found in NinjaTrader. In terms of cost, NinjaTrader has lifetime license model like $1,099 or monthly leasing, while Tradovate has flexible pricing including pay-per-trade, subscription, and professional options. Both platform offers access to CME markets with margin rates and low latency execution, but NinjaTrader tends to attract high volume traders building complex systems, while Tradovate is preferred by discretionary day traders or swing traders wanting fast setups and integrate chart trading. Both now support mobile access, although Tradovate's web-first design make it more seamless across devices. In terms of market data, NinjaTrader requires a separate data feed setup like Kinetic or CQG, whereas Tradovate simplifies onboarding with all-in-one feeds. Community-wise, NinjaTrader's ecosystem is deeper with a wide marketplace for indicators and strategies, strong forums and developer support, while Tradovate focuses on clean UI and ease of execution. Security and account funding are comparable since both are backed by the same parent company, but the experience they offer is quite different. Ultimately, if you are a manual trader who wants values fast order execution, clean UI, and cross-device flexibility, Tradovate will feel better. But if you are technical or algorithmic trader who wants full control, deep strategy testing, and custom automation, Ninja Traders remain the powerful house. The best part? Since both platforms are now under NinjaTrader Group, users can often switch between them or use them in parallel, letting you pick the tool that fits each trading strategy best. In short, NinjaTrader is like MetaTrader for future powerful but dense, while Tradovolt is the trading view of futures, simple, modern, and fast. Beyond just features and UI, choosing between NinjaTrader and Tradovolt in 2025 also comes down the execution speed, risk management tools, broker integration, and the kind of trader you are becoming, not just the one you are now. In terms of execution, both platforms now operate under the same infrastructure, offering low latency order routing via CQG, but NinjaTraders gives finer control over order logic, bracket settings, and time-in-force conditions, while Tradovolt emphasizes ease of entry, speed, and visual order management right on the chart or DOM. For risk tools, NinjaTrader offers more granular control, including custom stubs, partial fills, OCO orders, and trailing logic through automation script. Tradovoid offers powerful but more streamlined risk controls, ideal for retail traders who want quick protections without deep setup. Both platforms now offer performance analytic dashboards, but NinjaTrader's reporting tools go deeper, offering trade journaling, advanced strategy analytic, and walk-forward testing, while Tradovoid leans toward simple win or loss stats, average P&L, and quick account health snapshot. Looking at brokerage integration, NinjaTrader also functions as full-of-service broker and offers direct account setup, while Tradovoid still allows third-party connectivity for users coming from other brokers using funded accounts. Prop firm trader will note that some evaluation platforms like Apex or Lilo lean towards NinjaTrader due to its automation supports, while others like Take Profit Trader or UProfit offer seamless Travoid dashboards. From a community feedback standpoint, Tradovoid is praised by new traders for its clean user experience, instant chart trading, and minimal fraction onboarding, while NinjaTrader community values the deep strategy building and wealth of their party tools, especially if you are building a system. With the rise of TradingView integration, Tradovoid users benefits from being able to trade future with the TradingView UI, something still clunky in NinjaTrader unless fully customized. Meanwhile, NinjaTrader's strength the visibility in volume profile trading, footprint charts, and custom indicator stacks, giving giving pro traders an edge if they are willing to put in the time to learn. Looking towards 2026, both platforms are evolving. Tradovoid is rumored to add plug-and-play AI-assisted trading and smoother mobile DOM experience, while NinjaTrader is focused on making multi-strategy backtesting, Python integrations, and cloud sync workspace possible. For institutional level traders or those scaling into automated system, NinjaTrader will likely remain the better sandbox. But for retail traders, part-time scalpers, or proof firm grinders who value speed, ease, and low cost, Tradovoid continues to win hard. Bottom line, choosing between NinjaTrader and Tradovoid isn't just about what the platform does now. It's about what your growth path as a trader looks like. Tradovoid might be your launchpad and NinjaTrader your long-term home or vice versa. But with both under one ecosystem, the great news is you don't have to choose forever. You just have to choose what fits you best right now. And that's it.